lets me try once. And it locks the key. Completely locked in there. And then it just gains power later on, and I'll be able to turn it back. It's not glowing anything. Windows won't even work or nothing.